Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to create this shape. It's like an indoor seating area. Okay, so we're going to create using free modeling function here. Okay, go to free modeling function. Okay, so then go to this area. Okay, you can use draw function up here. Okay, you can use rectangle, right? Then you can select the shape. Okay, you can rotate it. Right, set the base area first, then rotate it. Okay, or if you want more precise size of rectangle, you can use line. Okay, like this. Okay, put your size here, maybe 1200. Okay, then click enter. Alright, the length here will be 1200. Then going down, maybe you can put 600. Okay, here 1200, then connect it back to the first point. Okay, then you have the rectangle shape with your own specific size. Okay, right, I'm going to delete the shape, select the line and delete. So come back to this rectangle. We're going to divide this rectangle into half. Right, we can draw a line, connect it from the midpoint to the other midpoint here. Right, then right click to cancel. Okay, next we're going to draw a circle. Okay, we're going to draw a circle at the corner here. Okay, connect it to the midpoint line. Alright, so you have this shape. You can select the middle line and delete it. Okay, then draw another line up here to any length you like. Okay, as long as it touches the circle. Okay, then draw another line from endpoint to this endpoint. Okay, remember must touch the circle. Then you can delete the excess line here. Okay, alright, then I'm going to draw arc. Okay, sorry, draw arc here. Okay, right, touch the circle. Okay, then go to any length you like and then touch the sidelines here. Okay, drag the arc to get the angle you like. Draw another arc in the middle here. Okay, and then touch the sidelines. Okay, drag out the curve. Okay, and then the last one is here, connect it to the circles. Alright, you can drag or you can put your own radius for the arc, right? Then click enter. Okay, so this is the shape lah. Alright, then you can delete the unwanted lines like this. Okay, delete, select the lines and delete. Okay, select inside lines here. Okay, so you get something like this lah. Alright, so now you can offset the shape. Alright, you can offset it to 300, then click enter, or you can offset into how many number you like lah. Okay, then offset it inside. Okay, offset inside to 100, or maybe if you want smaller, okay, you can offset it to 70. Alright, then click enter. Okay, then you can stretch it up. Okay, stretch the surface up to 400. Okay, the second surface here, stretch it up to 600. Click enter. Okay, then the last surface here, stretch it up to 400. Alright, so this is the shape. Okay, this is the final shape lah. Okay, then for the final step, you can group the whole shape. Right, come to this angle. Okay, hold control button and highlight the whole shape. Okay, you see it also highlight the one line here. Okay, click it once, so it will deselect the line. Click combination, or you can press Ctrl G as the shortcut key. Okay, so you have grouped this shape. then click return. Okay, then you can go to library. Alright, you can go to library. Okay, you can go to the finishing. Okay, go to universal material library down here. Then you can drag any texture or material you like. Okay, you remember you must hold control button when you drag the texture. Okay. Okay, I will drag one material to the floor here. Okay, now for decoration, you can go to decoration category down here, then go to flower gardening. Right, flower gardening here. Okay, you can drag any plants to the middle part here. Okay, let's see how it looks like after render. Okay, just now I did some decoration. I put plants in the middle part. Okay, this is how it looks like after render. Okay, you guys can see this one is with sunlight. Alright, this one is without sunlight. Okay, you can see the differences, got shadows inside. Okay, so you guys can try out. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.